hear some background theme music. We sneaked. Alright, good effort, good effort, good effort. Oh my god. Oh my god, what is going on here? Is this a sea of people? This is a sea of people here. Even over here. Oh my. Oh, and now it's clearing. We're crossing a road, but it's not just any old road. It's this little crossing in Tokyo here. Shibuya Crossing. Hey. Alright, what's down there? Well, that wasn't as chaotic as I thought, but I mean, this looks like it might be.
Oh, I feel like when you're in the chaos, you don't like realize it's chaotic.
Yeah. Sensory overload in this place. Here's McDonald's. What are they offering? Looks nice.